Hello friends, and in today's video we are going to be doing affordable Halloween DIY. There are no serious DIYers allowed here. These are affordable, easy, fun, fast. I got all of these materials from the dollar store. If you haven't seen my videos where I do the come shop with me's at the dollar store, I'll leave a link down below. Let's go ahead and jump into it. First up, we have these creepy crawly little spider rings that I put on these mugs, and I just filled them up with some candy. I used Hershey's Kisses and then Starburst, filled up the mugs, and then I actually found these rings. I thought they were just decorations, but it's actually pretty cool spider rings that you can also wear. So all I did here was took the mugs. By the way, these mugs, everything I'm showing you was less than $2.99. The mugs were $1. Filling one mug up with the Hershey Kisses, the other mug I'm going to fill up with Starburst. You can fill it up with whatever candy you like. I would recommend filling them up with candy that is wrapped because you don't want people to think that the spider rings are edible too if you just put like candy corns in there. So I thought these rings were pretty cool, and they're my favorite color, purple. You can wear them, you can stick them on curtains. I mean, they stick to anything because the little ring clasp is pretty cool. And I just put that all around the top of the mugs, and this is it. Super easy. This whole process took me like less than 5 minutes. Really fun, and you can actually give it to people to take home, work, friends. Love it. Next one is another kind of like candy filled basket with these glitter pumpkin heads. These glitter pumpkin heads you're about to see in a second are on sticks, so you could literally stick them in anything. You can put them in the yard, in buckets like I did. You can put them anywhere you want. So we have this candy corn paper, the bucket, and then the pumpkin heads, all from the dollar store. So all I did was I took the candy corn paper. These are actually bags meant to put candy in, so you can use it for that, multi-purpose. I stuck that in the basket, but I wanted it to be a little visible, so I made sure it stuck out. And then I put these sour candies, again these are wrapped candies, put them in the bucket. There you go. Simple, easy peasy. I love these glitter pumpkin heads. This again took me like 10 minutes. Very fun, easy. The last one, I did not do this. I bought this from the dollar store for $2.99. Why would I make this? This would take me literally 2 hours when you can just buy it for $2.99. Easy peasy, I told you. No serious DIYers here, and that is it. Super fun, affordable, and doesn't take forever. Hi friends, present day Nikki here. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. You might be wondering, Nikki, why do you look so amazing right now? Thank you. I just I know I don't. I just got off work and I was like, I'm just gonna put a hat on, throw something on. This top is actually from the Walmart video where I think it was called like trying to slay Walmart outfits. Now that I'm actually wearing it, I'm like, I don't think I really like it. It's not really my style right now. I don't know, it's just very, I don't know, something about it. Maybe if I put a jacket on, I don't know. It just looks way more casual than what I'm used to doing, but it's cute for a casual look. Anyways, product updates, let's do this. If you're new around here, I do this at the end of all of my videos, even when I'm traveling for work. You can tell I'm not in my normal background. I'm in my hotel in Nashville currently. But I love beauty products so much, I literally bring them with me on my trip. Fun fact, or useless fact, my luggage was literally 0.5 of a pound, half a pound away from being overweight because I stuff my luggage with beauty products. I think my luggage weighed 49.5 pounds. Isn't that insane? And I'm gone for, well, I have been gone for a while, 7 days, so that is a long time. Plus I brought a carry-on. Anyways, product updates. First up, this is the Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb perfume. I think I initially showed, I know I did. I showed this to you guys when I bought this in my Sephora haul, excuse me, I think like 6 months ago. I really like this perfume. It smells nice, like soft, light. It's a very, very popular perfume. I'll leave a link to it down below. You can go look at the reviews on Sephora. A lot of ladies and gentlemen like this. Very soft, light scent, but it is long wearing. I just think it's not my favorite, but I do like it. It's expensive. I think this bottle, which is how many ounces? Is 1 ounce? I think this is 1.7. Yeah, this is 1.7, and I think this was $100. So it's very expensive. I do like it. If you like light, sweet scents, I think you'll like this. But I'm just ready to try something else. But I have been using it a lot, as you can see. I'm almost done. I'm a little bit more than halfway done. I wear it every day, so I do like it. I just want to try something else. I think I need a fall scent. I've actually just reviewed this in another video that you're going to be seeing soon. This is another one that I picked up in a Sephora haul. This is the Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I love their packaging on these palettes. It's like a soft faux velvet, but it gets so dirty. And then I'm like, man, and this is my favorite color, purple. So I've really been trying to not get it dirty, but it's really hard. This is what the palette looks like. I'll just give you a quick update. I like it. I use it a lot. I like it. There's a more detailed review coming probably in the next video. It'll be coming soon. It's a very fun video idea that I had. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. It'll be coming, if not this week, next week. If you're watching this a year from now, then I'll leave a link to it down below if I remember. I always say that. Sometimes it doesn't happen. Native deodorant. You guys know, by the way, this is not sponsored. I have done a lot of sponsored videos. I just keep it real with you guys. My wig is like shedding. I've done a lot of sponsored videos with Native because I love this deodorant. If you're looking for a good quality natural deodorant that works, you will like this. I've done maybe like 5 sponsored videos with Native. So this is a natural deodorant. It's aluminum free. Is my camera gonna focus? There we go. It's aluminum free, paraben free, sulfate free. It's free of all that gunky stuff, and they have so many great scents. The vanilla scent is my favorite. I think you can actually buy this at Target now, because I follow them on Instagram, and on their Instagram they were like being excited about being available in Target. So you used to only be able to get this on their website. I do have a discount code. I'll leave a link to it down below. This is not sponsored. I genuinely just use it. I'll leave a link to my playlist of all of my videos reviewing it. I've done videos where I left this on for 24 hours. I've done videos just reviewing it. I've been using it for about a year and a half now, and I really like it. So I'll leave a link down below. It's $12, and then with my code you get 10% off, so pretty cool. Still loving it. I'm just gonna update you guys. This is something that's kind of new to me. I've been using it for about a week now. This is from the brand I Am Organic. This is their body sugar scrub, and this is the citrus energy scrub. I really like it. The only thing is it's really thick. This is really good for exfoliating, but if you like more of a scrub that's a little bit more, I don't know, do I want to say like loose? I don't know. The sugar is really packed in there, which is really good for exfoliating. So I would suggest that maybe you exfoliate first and then go in with your body wash, because it's just really thick. Yeah, that's how I can describe it. It's a thick scrub. Even though you see all of that oil, you see all the oil that's moving around, that does moisturize the body and it feels nice, but the actual sugar is just really thick, which I do like. If you're wondering, why does your bottle look crazy? Because like I told you, I'm in Nashville right now, and I put this in my luggage along with my nail polish, and my nail polish exploded all over the bottle. So yeah, I've been enjoying that. Next up from Babar, you guys know, I think I'm butchering that name. This is Babar. This is their multivitamin concentrates. This is what they look like. I have put this on my face. If I can find the clips of where I applied this, I'll leave a link down below. So this has vitamin A, E, B, biotin, and I think vitamin 12. So it's very interesting. I've never used something like this. This is a German brand, by the way. So they come in these little capsules. So you break this open. This is the top that it comes with. To break it open, you rub it into your face. It's essentially like a serum, and it smells amazing. It has a light citrus scent, and it just soaks into the skin almost immediately, and it moisturizes the skin, and it's very firming. I've never tried anything like it. On the first time I tried this, so I think you're supposed to do 1 or 2 a week. You can see I did 1. The first time I tried this, I didn't wear makeup that entire day, and I could just feel my face firming. If you like firming products, I think you'd really like this. It was firming while being moisturizing. The reason I brought this with me is because when I'm gonna go to the gym after filming this, I am going to use this. I've been talking for 7 minutes. Oh my God. This is why my videos are so long. I'm gonna test out doing some videos without product reviews just to see if I can like cut the video time down. I know it's like 50-50. Either people really like the reviews and 50% of you just stop watching as soon as I start this review part. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'll probably do like half of my videos with product reviews at the end so that half of you are happy. And then some of my videos, I'll just be the video and then that's it, no product reviews. And we'll just see how that goes because I talk a lot. Next up from Undone Beauty, we have their Curator Eye Palette. I actually have this on now and I've been using this for about a week now. I really like this palette. I love the color selections of the purples, the blues, the gold. The only thing is I don't like that they're not in separate pans. You see how they're kind of like all together? So I find like I have to be really slow and intentional with my brush because if I just want this gold color, if you're not careful, you'll get this color too, you know? So that's the only thing I don't like. So is that considered packaging? But they are all gorgeous, pigmented, long wearing. I have it on now, which you can't really see because I'm not taking this hat off because I look crazy. But I put this eyeshadow on at 5 a.m. It is currently 9 p.m. and it's still there. So it's very long wearing, it's very pigmented. Only thing is I don't like the packaging. I will leave a link to this down below. I believe you can pick it up on Amazon or on their site, I believe. I really like it a lot. And it's affordable, by the way. I think it's like 15 bucks or something. So that's a good find for all those shades. You just have to be careful when you use your brush. Next up, now this is a mask that I used that you can't really see that well. This is from Maskology because I've used it. If I can find the clips where I applied this, I'll leave a link down below. So it's essentially 4 masks in one. So you have a mask for your forehead, it comes with eye mask, T-zone mask, and then a U-zone mask. I really liked this a lot. And I found that my face just felt really moisturized after, and it just felt really fun. I wish I could put it together to show you. So it basically like lays out, oh, I have it backwards. It lays out how to put the mask on. So you see there, the black part's the nose mask. If I can find the clips, I'll insert it of me applying it. I really liked it. And this mask, you get 4 masks in one, and I think it's only $3.99. So I've become a fan of Maskology. I'd never really heard of them until they started sending me PR, but I like it. All right, friends, this clip is 10 minutes, which means this video is probably 20 minutes long. Hopefully you enjoyed. By the way, lots of travel vlogs are going up on my second channel. If you haven't subscribed there, the link is always down below. It's the first link I put in the description box. I'm still posting my Australia vlog, so I always say like subscribe to that channel if you just want to get to know me, my life, my boyfriend, my family, all my travels. I'm gonna put all my travel stuff there. A lot of my holiday travel stuff is gonna go there. Christmas, Thanksgiving. I'm so excited to put up my 6 Christmas trees. I'm not exaggerating. And you would think someone that has 6 Christmas trees lives in a house. No, we live in a 2-bedroom apartment and I literally get 6 Christmas trees. And I would say like 4 of them are actually full-size trees. I love Christmas trees. So I'm gonna try to muster up the energy and go to the gym. Not try, I have to. I'm gonna go to the gym. I picked up some ribs because I'm about to leave Tennessee, and I was like, I haven't had any barbecue. I don't usually eat beef. I eat it a couple times a year, but my acupuncturist, here we go, I'm just rambling. Tangent, my acupuncturist told me that on the first day of my period I should have beef, so I've been trying to do it. I really don't like eating beef because I just feel like it weighs me down for like 5 days after I eat it. So I don't follow what she said like every month, but I'll do it maybe 3 or 4 times a year. So anyways, I got some ribs and I'm excited to eat them. So I'm gonna go to the gym, take off this makeup, get in my gym clothes. Hopefully you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, check out the second channel. You can check out my most recent video. I'll leave a link to that right here. If you wanna see the Sephora hauls where I got all this stuff, well, a lot of this stuff, I'll leave that right here. You can click my face this way to subscribe, hit the bell. Ow, I just hit my face, and I'll see you soon. Bye.